I can't explain it, but this song really turns me on. So I need you to step this way and turn off those naughty feelings, cause we have self-control.
Yeah.
Step, turn off the light and pat yourself on the back. Oh my God, we're so good at regulation. Step. Speed this up now. Hey.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I
celebrate your self-control. Hey. Oh no, jump out.
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around.
To the side.
I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just
same thing, other side, get low.
Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby.
Whoa!
Do you love it when you
This
keep
way.
me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I
Four
can't
jumps
stay
here
back
and
when I walk like that.
hey.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I
Celebrate your self-control.
all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say
Jump out and
walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me
one more time, let me see what those hips do.
turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just
Step, kick, let's go, show me your energy.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you
Throw your arms, hey.
You want to keep me wanting.
Get low, yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. You want.
Take a break, oh my God, and
On like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around.
gather yourself,
I don't wanna
jeez.
fight this. You know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you.
Show me your feet, hey.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do.
You are doing so good. I'm turned on, you're turned on, this is a party. Hey,
Come on and show me how you do.
hip side to side and nothing turns me on like when you go to activebooty.com and buy our activewear. If you want to watch the official video, click right here by King Charlie Puth, and you can click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week, and they're only available to our Booty Army Elite members.